Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be ranking all the season 1 and people on Total Drama or Total Drama Island. I'm going to be doing this in elimination order, so Ezekiel goes first. Ezekiel was a good villain, but Ezekiel was an awesome villain, but he's not enough to go in best, so I'm putting him in great. Oh, Eva's just meh, just straight up bland. Noah is funny in World Tour, but not as good. Justin, a little mediocre. Okay, Katie, I'm putting good. I think she's the better of the friend couple. Tyler's up next. Tyler did way terrible. Dang, bro deserves the biggest medal of all time. Izzy's okay. Yeah, good. Oh, Cody's amazing. Cody's good. Beth is good. She did win action. I'm putting Sadie in okay. Courtney, she acted like an immature child in this competition. Like a literal child. Okay, now Harold is awesome, actually. He won for his team twice. Okay, Trent's okay. He did way worse in action, and I mean way worse. Bridget is good. At the very top of good, actually. Lindsay's just stupid, but in a funny way. Good. DJ with a scaredy cat. I won't do these two. I will not do these two. Okay, 6 people remain. Wait, where's Heather? I'm gonna do this for Heather. Jeff is good. I'm gonna put her up there with Bridget. Lashana's okay. But Duncan's up there with Harold. But as for Heather, I don't even want to do it. Gwen's good. And Owen, what the heck happened to you? You won season 1, but then dropped. Well, that's gonna be it. Oh, shoot. Well, I think that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.